What if I told you your next mentor, life coach, and productivity partner doesn't eat, doesn't sleep, or get tired? Sounds strange, right? But that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I asked myself a simple question: can ChatGPT help me grow personally? Not just with facts, but with habits, mindset, communication, and purpose. And today, I will show you I use ChatGPT not just as a chatbot, but as a daily tool for personal development. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Global Thriving Together, where we elevate life and career one step at a moment. ChatGPT for personal development. Let me ask this same question to ChatGPT itself. For this, I will put chatgpt.com on Google and this window will open. You can log in with your email account if you want to. Here I type ChatGPT for personal development and it gives me the content. It gave me the 9 major fields in which it can support me. The first one is emotional self-awareness. One of the most underrated skills in personal development is emotional self-awareness. It is not just about feeling things, it's about understanding why we feel them. You can ask ChatGPT to help you becoming more emotionally self-aware. Or you can share your emotions with ChatGPT. You can talk to it. You can share how you are feeling, why you are feeling. It will store in its memory, and after a certain period of time, ChatGPT will tell you how you are feeling and why you are feeling this. What you can do to improve your feeling. The next is communications and relationships. Communication work as a bridge in relationship. ChatGPT can help you understanding about your communication, whether it is assertive, passive, or aggressive. It can notice how you react in conflicts. Do you shut down or explode? Also, you can practice empathy with ChatGPT. Try to truly hear before you respond. Next is career and professional behavior. Personal development is not just about your inner world, it's also about how you show up at work. With the help of ChatGPT, you can learn about your work style, your strengths and your weakness, your productivity habits, and also you can take a feedback and work on it. Next is habits and behavior. If success is a result, then habits are the system behind it. ChatGPT can help you making habits that can help you in making your career and bring more success. The next is values, beliefs, and identity. ChatGPT can help you to understand who am I and what do I truly stand for. It can help you with the clarity of your core values and it can help you in exploring your identity. The next is time and priorities. ChatGPT can really help you to understand, am I spending time on what truly matters? Analyze where your time goes and revisit your long-term goals. The next is money and lifestyle. ChatGPT can help us to understand how we can save, how we can invest, and where we can invest. Next is mental and physical health. Our mind and body are the engines behind everything what we do. But how often we pause and ask, am I truly okay? Or it's just functioning? We can share everything with ChatGPT related to our health and well-beings and it gives the better solution. The last is life purpose and meaning. We do various kinds of tasks in a day. But do we really ask, why am I really doing all this? Have my goals evolved? But I'm still choosing the old version. ChatGPT will definitely help you with this. What you need to do is just try ChatGPT once. Ask the questions, whatever you are having in your mind related to your life, goals, success, time, etc. Whether it's learning new skills, building confidence, or just thinking deeper. It all starts with a single question. So, what will you ask today?